Welcome to Central Bay.
So guys, now you've gotten here, you've gotten to the website. You're like, bro, what are you doing? You're gonna hit that left button right there. No, not that ad down there. Don't hit that ad. Trust me, don't touch the ads. They're contagious. They're bad. Don't hit get VIP. I mean, you probably can, but it's probably most likely gonna cost you money. I haven't touched it yet. You're gonna hit install AppValley, not the actual like little thing, not that, but you're gonna hit the actual install AppValley down there. So it's gonna ask you this. I've already have it installed, so I'm not gonna install it. So it's gonna install it. Okay, you're gonna get this. Now you're gonna have to give it a minute to install. Now you're gonna click on that, but first it's not gonna open the app. It's not gonna open the app. Now, what you're gonna do when you click on that, it's gonna say, "Hey, this is not trusted. You can't do this." So what you're gonna do? You're gonna go to settings. Took me a minute. I tried to do this video before and I lost where I was. Go general, device management, and this is gonna be. You're gonna click this. It's gonna say trust, and it's gonna say this entire nipping, paint, China, holding. You're gonna trust it, and it's gonna say verify and whatever. So, whoa, guys, is that it, Christian? Yes, it's it. So you go into the app, and you're gonna go and you're gonna get whatever you want. Go in here to get whatever you want. But the main thing I wanted to show you all day, which is what I really like, because most iPhones don't have screen recorders, or you need iOS 11. iOS 11. If you don't have that, look up AirShaw. And the phone broke. Okay. Phone's breaking, guys. Well, let me type. AirShaw. This is what you're gonna get. You're gonna click on it, wait for it to pop up. It's guys, just give it a minute. I know it's kind of broken, but gotta let it. So I'm gonna turn the music back on while we wait for this, and you're gonna enjoy some music. Okay, so now we've gone on it. You're gonna hit that get button. But when I clicked it, nothing popped up, and I was like, what's going on? It's not popping up. And then I went to my home screen, and this was here. The actual it's gonna pop up without any icon. It's gonna be loading without an icon. That's what it did for me. I don't know if it's gonna do it for y'all. But that's what it's gonna do. You have to wait for it to install. And you go on there, and you can record or you can broadcast any videos, and you can save them to your camera roll and stuff. It's awesome. That's how I'm doing this right now, and I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all really did, hit a like, subscribe, whatever. I mean, God, I'm dying. Whatever you liked. So, if you liked the video, hit that button. Hope y'all have a good time. Let's go do this. Bye, guys.